Alright, we got this apple. We got the seagulls. Do it when they're looking. Didn't even see it. It's awkward. Oh! No way! You just got it!
Shoot! Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. What?
Oh, that's so cool. It's hilarious. They love it. Get it! Come on, you idiot. Oh, he picked it up out the water. Oh, that's impressive. Stupid seagulls.
Yo!
Did he catch it?
Yeah.
That's pretty funny, actually.
So impressive. Like,
throw the whole core. Oh, he almost got it. That was sick.
oh.
Oh. I think they have a hard time catching the hard apple. Oh, he got it! Oh, why did they drop it?
No, I think he ate some of it.
They like take a bite and then drop the rest. We're gonna have a ton on our balcony now. Great. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh! That would have been sick! Alright, that's enough for now. You can see Half Moon K in the background there. Oh!
Hit a bird. Sorry, buddy. Oh, shoot.